I just picked up the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and I went with the basic kit. I never go with the combo kits that they usually come out with because they always come with the accessories that I don't care for except for maybe like one or two things. Let's unbox this and I'll explain. Alright, so here's the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Let's open this up real quick. And let's pull everything out first. Got some guides here, things I'm never going to use. Now let's see what's inside this box first. Looks like we got this extension handle with a 1/4 thread. And got this USB-C cable. And we got this wrist strap here that I'm definitely never going to use. Alright, now let's go ahead and open up the Pocket 3. And here it is. This thing's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. Here's the protective cover case for it. And here it is compared to my iPhone 15 Pro Max. It's definitely thicker and about the same height. Alright, so let's talk about why I went with the basic kit rather than going with the creator combo. So the creator kit comes with a mini tripod, but I already have a few mini tripods here at home. And because they're all 1/20, they all easily attach to the Pocket 3. The creator combo comes with a DJI mic too, but I already have a bunch of microphones here at home that I can use with the Pocket 3. First, I have the Rode Video Mic Me-C. It connects via USB-C, and you can see the levels here at the top of the screen. Next, I have the original wireless DJI mic. I love this kit. Alright, let's grab the USB-C adapter and plug that into the receiver. Now plug the receiver into the bottom of the Pocket 3. Let's pull out one of the mics, and you can see the levels are showing. And if I wanted to use the extension adapter, just plug the receiver into the back of it. And it still works. And in case you were wondering, the tripod still fits with the receiver plugged into the back. I also have this Rode Video Micro that uses a 3.5mm cable. In order to plug this into the Pocket 3 though, I have to use this USB-C to 3.5mm adapter, and it works fine. The creator combo also comes with a battery handle that can extend the life of the Pocket 3, but I don't really need that, especially with the fast charge of the Pocket 3. I'll just use this power bank that I use to charge up my cell phone. Got this short USB-C cable, plug it in, and I got fast charging. And if I remember right, they say it's about 16 minutes to get an 80% charge, and that's all I really need. But yeah, this is why I didn't go with the creator combo. But let's go back to the desk so we can talk about the accessories that I will buy for the Osmo Pocket 3. Now there is one item that I want that's in the creator combo, and that's the wide angle lens. I'm actually headed back to Japan soon, and I know there's going to be situations over there where the wide angle is going to come in real handy, like when I'm walking through temples or castles or even dining in restaurants. Another accessory I'll be picking up is the expansion adapter. That's not even included in the creator combo. That's the accessory that adds like a cold shoe on the side so I can add like a light or a microphone, and also has GoPro fingers so I can mount it in a different way. And lastly, I'm going to pick up some ND filters, and those aren't included in the combo kit either. DJI has them coming out, but I'm a little biased towards Polar Pro because I use them on all my cameras and even my drones. Nothing wrong with the other brands, it's just a personal preference. But yeah, the creator combo is nice, but for someone like me, all the accessories that I want for the Pocket 3, like most of them aren't even in the kit. Like I still have to buy everything separately. Anyways, I'm excited to start using this thing, especially in my upcoming trip to Japan. Like this thing is gonna be super fun to use over there. But for now though, here's some test shots that I took with my first time out with the Pocket 3.
I hope you had the time of your life. Johnny, be good. Come on, man.
Thank you.